Hi everyone. So I've been thinking today's Thursday and I'm so off. It's only Tuesday, but I wanted to share with you guys what I picked up from the thrift store. So yesterday when I took my mom to her appointment, I stopped off at Hobby Lobby and then I stopped off at my favorite thrift store, and I'm so happy I went. I've gone I think like twice and just haven't really bought anything, so I'm so happy that they had stuff this time. So I am new to growing orchids, but last year I went to a wholesale orchid place and they were throwing away just the leaves, and some of them had roots and some didn't, and I asked if I can have them. And the lady's like, okay, it was just one worker. The owner wasn't there. And she's like, you know what? The owner's trashing them. I'll go ahead and let you have them. So I took home 10. Out of the 10, I lost 2, which I kind of regret throwing away. I probably should have kept them and just hoped that I could have figured it out. But they have not grown flowers and they are just leaves. So my smallest one that I got, I saw somebody post on Facebook that they stuck theirs into like a terrarium and it's like thriving. So I thought, okay, well, let me see if I could do that. So I only did it to one because I was afraid of killing off the rest. So my mom had this jar right here that has like the whole little lid on it. So I stuck my orchid in here and I finally have a new leaf. I don't know if you can see it right there in the middle. I finally have a new leaf in there and I am so excited. I got a little moss right there. I should have cleaned this off. I'm so excited that it is working. So I stuck it in here a couple months ago and I added a little bit of water and it's just created so much more water, and it's facing a window. Let me see. So you can see there. Here is my new little leaf right there in the middle. So it's thriving. It's doing so good. I can see that the roots are staying green, which means they're hydrated. When they turn gray, that means that they are thirsty. So I'm so happy that it's working, that I'm like, okay, I need more of these jars that I can seal and just leave them be. So I found this one at the thrift store for $1, you guys. I was so stoked that it was only $1. I was like, cheaper than Dollar Tree, because I had been looking at Dollar Tree for something like this and I haven't found anything. So super stoked. So I'm going to transfer this one, since it is small compared to my other ones. I'm going to transfer this one to over here, and then I'm going to stick one of my larger ones because I have, most of them, the leaves are huge, but they're just not flowering. So that's my plan for this guy. I'm going to transfer over and then stick another one over in this guy. So I'm so happy that that's working and figured out. And it's a lot more like moist and wet in here than what the amount of water I even put in here, because it just is its own little environment and being in the window. So that I love that it's finally thriving, because I thought they weren't going to do anything. Okay, back to the little haul. So anytime I see golden books, I grab them. So I got this little golden book right here of Bambi, which works out perfectly, because if you saw my haul video from yesterday, I bought some frames at Hobby Lobby, and this is what I wanted to do with them. I wanted to take pictures like this and frame them and then stick them into my Disney scrapbooking. So I love this. I can go ahead and take some of these images, frame them, use them for my scrapbooking. I still want to do a golden book junk journal, so that's also an option. And then they had this music notebook, and I love in this one that there is actually like writing in here. So I thought that was really cute and really like personal. So I picked this one up. Again, I want to do like a junk journal with it. So I just thought that was cute. And then look, it's like, discolored. Like, I love that. So got that one. This one was $4, and I was kind of iffy on buying it or leaving it or not, but I really liked this little notebook. I could have bought in something better, like a smaller notebook at Dollar Tree, but I don't know. It just spoke to me, and I was just like, you know what? Let me grab it. It's for Girl Scouts. I was never a Girl Scout. Don't know anybody in the Girl Scouts, but oh, wow. This was originally $12. I never even saw that back there. So I guess that was a really good deal for $4, because yeah, I was like, ooh, that's my most expensive item, but I don't know. It just was speaking to me, so I grabbed it. And then I got this really cool bottle. I love buying little stuff like this. So this was $2. It's a little bottle. It even has its little lid right here. So I just thought that was really cute for $2. It looks like a little sun. I thought that was cool too. So I love getting stuff like that. And this would actually be really good to use for watering my plants. Now that I think about it, I could put the water in here and then I have like the little pour. I'm sure this is for like oil or something, but I think I'll use that for my plants. I think that would be a good idea. So I finally found one of these cool old books. I am obsessed with this book right here. I think it is so pretty. Like even right here, it's all speckled. I love it. Here's the inside cover. Then I just have like these little pages. I just thought it was so, so pretty. I definitely want to use this for crafting, maybe possibly a junk journal. I just think it's really cool. And then I grabbed this thesaurus and a dictionary. So I had talked about before that I was thinking about starting a channel of like me crafting, but like talking and using you guys as my therapist because I really like, I went without making videos for a long time because I was dealing with like my dad being sick, my aunt was being sick, my aunt ended up passing away, which broke my heart. And I was just really sad and not feeling crafty and not feeling motivated. So that's why I didn't post for basically all of May and into June. And I'm kind of feeling better and getting back to it. But with my aunt's funeral coming up next month, because that was a whole issue, I feel like I'm going to go through that heartbreak again. So I think I'm really going to do it. I think I'm going to start a second channel where I just craft and chit chat with you guys. So it's not really like crafting anything crazy, you know, where I can like talk and move. So one of my ideas was I've always loved doing like A to Z. So like taking photos, you know, like of something like an apple for A and a balloon for B, you know, stuff like that. So I thought about doing little postcards of A to Z and doing that as I talk to you guys about whatever's going on in my life. Sometimes I have funny stories that happen that I just don't share, which I'm like, I kind of would like to share some of the happier moments with you guys. I just don't know where to like fit it into like a video. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do a second channel and just kind of like chit chat with you guys. So I got these because I wanted to use them for the background. Like I said, I want to do like an A to Z, and I figured like this was a really good easy start to do the little A to Z background. So I ended up picking up 2 of these. I think they were like 50 cents for these. And I love this one because of like how tiny the print is. But I love this one because like I said, I love like the brown and the old looking and how the edges are a little bit darker than the pages. So I don't know which one I'll use, but I got those. And then of course, anytime I see a pig, I have to pick it up for Sunny. Like how adorable is this? I don't know where it came from. He has little googly eyes. I love little googly eyes. So yeah, I got this little dude for Sunny, and I think she charged me 50 cents because he didn't end up having a price on him. So I think she just did 50 cents. Then I got this one for $1. I think it's a little bit pricey for $1, especially like you can see like some of the pieces are missing. But I really love the best ever because Sunny Boy and I always say best day ever when we're on vacation. And you know, what was the best thing of the day? So we always like talk about our trips. So I was like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and grab it. I like the best ever. I like the smile. I like the happy memory. It's in gold. Sunny Boy and I love gold. So I went ahead and I dived in and I got that one for $1. Now this one was 50 cents. And I feel like this was more reasonable. But I love this one so much more than this one. I'm obsessed with them. I love that it's old. I love that it looks dirty. I just was like, yes, like get into my cart. I love it. I'm so sad that my 4th of July plans have fallen through and I'm not gonna, you know, follow through with my plan, but I'm like, you know what? I'll make it happen next year. I'll save this for next year. I think it's super, super pretty. Oh yeah, look, there's like little stickers everywhere. So I'm like, yeah, love this. And for 50 cents, absolutely love, love, love that. And this one I just thought was really cute and I don't have it. 50 cents and it is little acorns. And I really want to like venture out and travel. Like I don't get the seasons here in California. And I really want to have like a genuine like fall with the leaves changing and, you know, just like really pretty. I told my mom, but like we were talking about this again yesterday. I told her like I never thought I wanted to leave California, but I'm so ready. Like I want to move. I want like the small town vibes, you know, maybe live somewhere for a year to get all the seasons. I don't think I'll be able to stand the winters with the snow, but I'm like, you know what? I'm so ready for a change. I'm just over the crowded. I'm over people being rude. I'm tired of everything so expensive. Like, when I see what gas prices for other people were paying, it like, it breaks my heart. Like, this is crazy, you know? So, yeah. Anyways, that's my little rant. I found this adorable little Disney book, How Stinking Cute, for 50 cents. And it's just blank. So I thought about doing a Disney little glue book out of this. So I think that would be really adorable. It's just little tiny, what is this? Maybe like 2x3. So I'm like, love that. And then my last little item here, I was like, oh, that's kind of expensive. But then I started thinking about it. I'm like, okay, I'm like 99% sure these are glass. And for $3, I'm like, that's probably worth it. So I want to see how many are actually in here. Okay, so they are glass little stars. These are gorgeous. I'm pretty sure that these are like wine charms, right? But I don't drink wine. I never found one that I liked. But I definitely want to use the stars and maybe make like a little sun catcher out of it or something. I think that would be really, really cute. So yeah, definitely gonna do a project with this in the future. I don't know what, but I think maybe like stringing them and, you know, putting them outside where they could kind of like clink and clinkle, jingle in the wind, I think might be cute. And I love that it's all patriotic. So oh, I said that's it for today, but no, actually I lied. That is not it for today because I did get one more item. I forgot I had set this aside because I didn't want to drop it and break it. Do I think this is the best deal? Absolutely not for what I can see in here, but maybe I'll get lucky and super surprised. So I love that it's in a Doña Maria jar. I thought that was hilarious. So for $8, I bought a jewelry jar that's kind of like blind. You don't know what you're going to get in there. I don't know if it was worth the $8. It looks like a bunch of like junk costume jewelry, but I'm like, you know what? Let me give it a go. Let's see what we find. So if you want to see what's in this jar, definitely come back, stay tuned, and we'll open this up together on camera and see what's all in there. See, like, it just looks like a seed bead stuff, you know, like nothing like too crazy. Like I'm not gonna like definitely pull anything out of here where I'm gonna be like, oh, that's worth $8. I don't think anyways, but let's open this on camera next time and let's figure out what we got in there. So that's our little haul for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys have a fabulous day and we'll see you later. Bye guys.